I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to show sensitive content on X, formerly Twitter. The only catch is that you can't adjust this filter on the X app, and you can only do it through the website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to x.com, and then sign into your X account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your X home screen. Step 2. Click More in the menu on the left side of your screen to see additional options, and then click Settings and Privacy. A settings window opens. Step 3. Click Privacy and Safety in the settings menu. Privacy and safety options are displayed. Step 4. Find the Your X activity section and then click Content You See in this section. Associated options are shown. Step 5. Click to place a checkmark next to display media that may contain sensitive content. Sensitive content will be displayed on X going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.